Hello and welcome to C++ tutorial number 3, which will be more on variables. So let's just recap what we did in the last tutorial, which is int my variable. We're declaring a variable that's an integer and it's going to be named my variable. Then we're going to do my variable equals 17, and then we're going to do cout my variable is, and then we'll do two more arrow thingies, and then we'll type my variable. Remember, my variable is not in quotes, it's just my variable. Two more of those arrow thingies, then end arrow, which stands for end line. Okay, now one important tip is that C++ reads from top to bottom. So what we can do with this tip is we can change the variable. We could do this by saying my variable equals 64 and then semicolon. So now let's imprint this onto the screen. Cout, two of those arrow things. And I'll type in the quotes, my new variable is those arrow thingies, and then type in my variable. Two more arrow thingies, then we'll do end line, which is end L semicolon. Okay, let's save this. Control S, execute, compile and run. And we have my variable is 17, my new variable is 64. This is very helpful because we don't have to type a new and declare a new variable each time, and it's also good for organizing. So let's just X this out and recap again. Okay, so int my variable. We're declaring an integer, and the name of the integer variable is going to be my variable. Then we're doing my variable, which is what we declare the name to be of our variable, equals 17. Then we're saying, okay, we want you to put it on the screen, my variable is, and then we want you to say my variable, and then we want to end line. So we're putting the value of my variable onto the screen after my variable is, and then we're saying, alright, now we want you to change the my variable to 64. And now we're saying cout my variable is, and then we're typing in my variable as the same spelling and same everything as this time we said it, and we're saying end line. So what that does is it gives out 64 instead of 17 because this one was declared from closer to this. So what would happen if we change this to right here is it's gonna say this. Watch. Save, execute, compile and run. It's gonna say my variable is 64, my new variable is 17 because it reads from top to bottom. So thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial, which will be tutorial number 4. See ya.